got him. Check it out. Come here, you. Give me your mouse. He's still moving, Daddy. His teeth are getting me. You hear me? There we go. Open up. Oh, he moved! Are you sure he's dead?
Part of fishing, baby.
Okay, got him.
Alright, turn around, hold him up.
There we go.
Now kiss him.
No,
Yeah, you got to kiss him. That's part of fishing.
I don't pick his fish.
Alright, now hold the flounder up.
Uh-uh. Are you going to take a picture?
I'm taking it.
Oh, you're taking a video? Are you serious?
Why do you think I was
Dripping
laughing?
all over me.
Why do you think I was laughing?
You dripped all over my shirt.
Oh, that's part of fishing too. Hold the flounder up.
I'm not picking up that flounder. I don't know how to pick him up.
Alright.
Alright, give me this. I still got gookie on my hands.
We'll wipe it up with my shirt.
Okay.
This shirt.
Go ahead, I got it. I washed one hand. We're good.
That's what a flounder is supposed to look like.
Look at his flounder. Yeah. Crazy thing. Look at them eyes. Look.
In the mouth.
Oh, that's kind of scary looking. Look at that. Look down the mouth. Stop.
They're going to eat
You
you.
can see his teeth. Look at his teeth.
Yeah. I'm Mr. Flounder.
Okay. Look, Daddy. They look alike. Are y'all kidding? Are you sure that ain't your daughter?